Hello and welcome. I am Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. And today I am going to show you how you can install Swivel TV wall mount all by yourself. On this wall, the TV was installed earlier and you can see how big the holes are. Now, because I didn't like that furniture arrangement, so I am going to shift this TV on this wall right in front of this sofa. This is the TV that I'm gonna install on that wall. So first thing is you should figure out the center of the wall, which I have already done, and you can see I have marked it on the wall here. And the height of TV should be from floor to eye level, which is 51 or 52 inches. So this is the point. This is the center and this is the swivel wall mount. This is the center, and then with the help of level, I'll just mark here and drill the holes, and two below. Here are the tools that will require to mount that on the wall, and this is 10 mm bit that I just got because earlier I had 4 mm one. All the screws here given are 10 mm.
This is very helpful level app. I'm going to use it to check the level of wall. It is showing x 0 degree, which means the mobile is straight. X axis is 0 degree. If I tilt it a little, you can see it is showing 1 degree, which means that mobile is not straight at all. So I'll just tilt it to the right and you can see it has turned green and showing 0 degree, which means we can proceed to mark the wall where we need to drill the holes. Now I'm holding TV wall mount in one hand and with another hand I'm using level app to ensure that I mark the wall on right place. Yes, now it is perfect and I'll mark. Okay, so now I'm gonna drill the holes in wall, and before that don't forget to wear safety glasses. Two holes are done and two left. So now I'm detaching this interface from the TV wall mount. Then this interface will be fixed here on the TV. So this is how I'll take it out. Just slide it and pull it out. Then this is the mark that should be pointing upwards when you fix interface at the back of TV using these hex leg screws. This is the anchor. I'll put this in the hole. Before fixing the mount on the wall, just make sure it is not upside down like how I'm holding it right now. This is wrong side. Just turn it upside down and now it is the right way up. Then fix it on the wall. Use wrench to tighten the screws. Now it's time to put the TV assembly on the mount. This interface will slide onto this mount. Just like this, and then I'll fix the screws here. Now to conceal the wires, put them in this bracket and then fix it back in place.
Just like this, and same way you can conceal the wire here as well. These are given to conceal all the wires and cables for clean and clutter-free look. And this is how swivel TV wall mount works. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video and you find it useful, and don't forget to share it with like-minded people, and please consider subscribing. And I'll see you soon. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye.